کرکٹ آسٹریلیا نے عثمان خواجہ کو ٹیسٹ میچ کے دوران فلسطین کی حمایت سے روک دیا. انہوں نے ٹریننگ کے دوران جو جوتے پہنے اس پر فلسطین کی حمایت میں نعرے درج تھے. عثمان خواجہ ICC قوانین اور کرکٹ آسٹریلیا کے خلاف پھٹ پڑے. واضح کیا کہ تمام زندگیاں برابر ہیں, آزادی سب کا حق ہے, اس میں کیا غلط ہے؟
To me personally, it doesn't matter what race, religion or culture you are. But let's be honest about it. If me saying all lives are equal has resulted in people being offended to the point where they're calling me up and telling me off, well, isn't that the bigger problem? What I've written on my shoes isn't political. I'm not taking sides. Human life to me is equal. One Jewish life is equal to one Muslim life, is equal to one Hindu life, and so on. When I see thousands of innocent children dying without any repercussions or remorse, I imagine my two girls. The ICC have told me that I can't wear my shoes on field because they believe it's a political statement under their guidelines. I don't believe it is so. It's a humanitarian appeal. I will respect their view and decision, but I will fight it